machine, everybody. There you go. There she is. There she blows. Coming up, my friends and neighbors. Coming up, we have two giants of the stage and the screen. Mr. Nathan Lane and Mr. Arsenio Hall will be out here with just a little bit of extra here. There you go. Wow, no way.
Yeah.
That's wonderful.
Oh, yeah.
I love it.
Right?
We got our own dog pound. All right. Folks, if you know me, you know I love science. Without it, what would we do with Bunsen burners? Burn Bunsen? And I like to bring you all, we shouldn't, that's what I'm saying. We shouldn't do this. I like to bring all the latest science news in my science segment.
The sound of science.
Hello, science, my friend.
First up, a new study says making babies in space may be more complicated than expected. First of all, the astronauts are going to have to get closer than that. Scientists have found that sperm struggled to navigate through the female reproductive tract in microgravity, making it harder to reach the egg. That's if you can even get it on in zero G. One person's got to be Velcroed to the wall, the other one's got to strap on a bungee cord. You know they're up there trying it. Astronauts do love Tang. Now, our next... Come on. We're off the air in 2 months. Now, our next science sound, moo. Because scientists have reported the first documented case of a tool use in a pet cow. Please be a slap chop. Please be a slap chop, please. Damn it. Nope. The cow is named Veronica, and she's taught herself to use a broom to scratch herself without any help. So yes, she can wield a broom, just not quite well enough to defend herself against Ruth's Chris. Maybe you should have learned to use the nunchucks, Veronica. Next up. Oh, that's right. That's okay. Next up, the website Science News is imploring us to watch the first video of a sperm whale birth, which has been captured on camera in more intimate detail than ever before. You know what? I would love to. But one of the things I gave up for Lent is looking at close-up shots of whale genitals. But I'll tell you what, come Monday, Free Willy. Next up, Free Willy, Tang, Ruth's Chris, making lots of friends here. Next up, scientists just turned light into a remote control for crystals, which really sounds like dialogue in a bad science fiction movie, so they can just get on with the rest of the story. Doctor, how can we stop the aliens if their weapons are powered by quartz? I just did a science, and I turned light into a remote control for crystals. Now Velcro yourself to the wall, and I'll get the bungee cords. There you go. It's a callback. It's called a callback. Callback. Next up, scientists have developed eye drops made from pig semen that can deliver cancer treatment to mice, which is good news for the mice, and I gotta say, great news for the pigs. Next up, chins, the heel of the face. Humans are the only mammal that has them, and researchers say that the human chin has long been fertile ground for arguments between scientists over its purpose. And some are still asking, why do humans uniquely have a chin? I can answer that one. The chin has a very clear evolutionary purpose. It's so you can go, I wonder what a chin is for. Now, what else? What else is down the science hole? This. Blue crabs have a serious cannibalism problem. Now, not to nitpick, but that implies there's such a thing as a non-serious cannibalism problem. Beth, before this relationship goes any further, I should tell you I have a mild cannibalism issue. I hope you still want me to meet your parents. Your dad sounds delicious. Next up, a new study looked at what happens when you make clones of cloned mice and found that after 20 years of continuous cloning, from a single donor mouse, recloned mice accumulated large mutations in their DNA, and major issues showed up by the 27th generation. In support of the study, scientists published this photo of a 27th generation recloned mouse. We'll be right back with Nathan Lane.